Most people think they're broke because of low income. But here's the brutal truth. It's not always how much you earn, it's how you handle what you earn. Research shows even high earners stay broke. Why? Because of hidden money habits. Habits so subtle, you don't notice them. But they silently drain your future wealth. Today, I'll expose 10 habits keeping you broke. And once you see them, you can finally break free. Habit 1: ignoring where your money goes. Most people never track expenses. They swipe, tap, spend, without awareness. And at month's end, they're confused. Where did all my money go? This ignorance keeps you broke. You can't control what you don't measure. Wealth begins with awareness. Start tracking every dollar. Yes, every single one. Habit 2: living for instant gratification. New phone? Buy it. Flash sale? Swipe the card. Night out? Charge it anyway. This habit feels harmless, but it kills financial growth. Because you're trading long-term freedom for short-term pleasure. Wealthy people delay gratification. Broke people chase it daily. Ask yourself, do I need this now? Habit 3: relying on credit for lifestyle. Credit cards aren't free money. They're traps wrapped in shiny plastic. Relying on them creates debt dependency. And debt steals your future income. That dinner last month? You're still paying for it. Break the habit of swiping for lifestyle. Credit should be a tool, not a crutch. Habit 4: not paying yourself first. Most people pay bills first. Then, they spend. Then, if anything's left, they save. Spoiler: nothing's ever left. This keeps you broke forever. Wealthy people flip the script. They save first, then spend what's left. Even $50 saved builds momentum. Pay yourself first, always. Habit 5: upgrading lifestyle too quickly. You got a raise, congratulations. But what's next? A bigger apartment, nicer car, more shopping. Suddenly, you're broke again. This is lifestyle inflation. And it quietly traps millions. Wealthy people resist the urge. They lock expenses and grow savings. Don't upgrade life until wealth upgrades first. Habit 6: surrounding yourself with bad influences. Money habits are contagious. If friends overspend, you overspend. If family lives in debt, you accept debt. Your environment shapes your choices. Surround yourself with wealth builders. People who budget, save, and invest. Because broke company keeps you broke. Habit 7: ignoring financial education. You study for your job. You train for your career. But when it comes to money, most people stop learning after basic math. That ignorance costs thousands. Wealth requires education, books, courses, mentors. Ignoring financial knowledge keeps you broke. Learning it sets you free. Habit 8: not having an emergency fund. Life throws surprises. Car breaks down. Medical bill shows up. Without savings, you borrow. And debt starts snowballing. An emergency fund isn't optional. It's your shield against paycheck panic. Even $1,000 creates breathing room. Skipping this habit keeps you financially fragile. Habit 9: treating money emotionally. Stressed? Shop. Sad? Order food. Happy? Celebrate with spending. Emotional spending kills wealth silently. Because money becomes therapy, not a tool. Wealthy people separate money from moods. They budget logically, not emotionally. Break the cycle. Heal feelings without draining wallets. Habit 10. Thinking small with money. Here's the most dangerous habit. Thinking, "I'll always be broke," or "small savings won't matter." This mindset kills wealth before it begins. Every millionaire started small. Every fortune began with one decision. Small habits compound massively over time. Thinking small keeps you broke. Thinking big makes you free. Why these habits matter individually, each seems harmless. Together, they chain you to broke living. Because habits decide destiny. Change the habit, change the future. How to replace them. Track spending daily. Delay gratification on wants. Use cash, not debt, for lifestyle. Pay yourself before bills. Lock lifestyle despite raises. Choose friends with healthy money habits. Invest in financial education weekly. Build a starter emergency fund. Detach emotions from spending. Think bigger with every financial choice. Final thoughts. Wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about behavior. Most people stay broke by default. But you can choose differently. Break one bad habit at a time. And watch your financial life transform. If you recognize these habits in yourself, don't feel guilty, feel empowered. You now know what's holding you back. Start today by changing one habit. Then stack more changes over time. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more financial freedom strategies. And share this with someone stuck financially. Because breaking one habit could change their entire future.